Welcome to China. Let me introduce to you how to pay in China. We mainly have 5 kinds of payment services, such as bank card, mobile payment, cash account, digital RMB, etc. You can choose according to your payment habits and preferences. Let's take a look at the bank card first. If you are used to using bank cards, such as UnionPay, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, GCB, Diners Club, Discover, you can pay by credit card at the merchant with your bank card logo. If there is no logo, you can ask the cashier whether it can be used. UnionPay cards are available everywhere in China. If you are used to using mobile payments, you can experience Alipay, WeChat Pay, Cloud Flash Pay, etc. It's very convenient to use. First, download the app from the App Store. Register or log in with your mobile phone number. Next, bind the bank card. Just a few steps. You can start paying. There are 2 payment methods. One is to click to scan. You scan the merchant's payment code, or click to receive payment. Merchants scan your payment code. You can also apply for a travel pass on Cloud Quick Pass. To recharge first, then it's ready to use. If you have any questions about mobile payments, you can consult the English service hotline on the screen. Do you have any wallet? Have the following wallets. You can pay directly without downloading the app. If you are used to using cash, that's okay. To withdraw money, you need to find an ATM machine with your bank card identification. If you have any questions, please consult the staff of the foreign currency exchange institution at the bank outlet. You can also open a bank account. Enjoy a variety of banking services. You can choose your nearest bank, open a bank account, and digital yuan. If you are interested, you can download the digital RMB app. Use in these pilot areas. If you have any questions, please consult the service hotline. Finally, welcome to Follow GOGO China. If you are planning to travel to China, we provide a full range of services including hotel bookings, flight tickets, visa applications, translation services, customized travel itineraries, and free online consultations.